Hi everyone. So we are in week 5 and the first paper came up on us so fast. The reason that I put your first paper in week 5, there's a couple of reasons. The first is that having it elsewhere after different books would have put it like right at Thanksgiving time, and I didn't want to do that to you. The other thing is that hopefully if you turn them in on time and I get them graded right away, you can have a really good look at what your grade is by midterm time, so that it's not just a couple smaller assignments, but that you've had at least one major assignment to contribute to your midterm grade. So I find that typically that's pretty helpful. For this paper, you can write about I Know Why the Caged Bird Sings, or you can write about Educated. You can do a comparison. I don't always recommend that because a lot of times for this length of a paper, what people kind of end up doing is summarizing and then trying to compare after the summary. If you want to do a comparison, pick one theme, maybe two, some of the things that we've been talking about so far, and then do a direct analysis comparison. For these papers, you should not be summarizing at all. You should be analyzing. And if you need help, if it's been a while since you took English 124, or maybe you took that in high school, or you're not quite sure like how to set up and do a paper, there is help for you in the course resources module. So I'm going to click over to that and show you guys, reminder where that is. So this is our paper 1, week 5. Course resources is right up here under table of contents. There we go. So in here I have an MLA formatting guide, so there's a link for that. There is essay help, running a literary argument, part 1, the introduction, part 2, evidence and support. So those are short lectures from me. More help for MLA as well. And then again, if you need help converting a Google Doc to a Word doc, that's in there too. I have the library website in here, but for this particular paper, you are not doing research. That's really important. All your papers will be checked for plagiarism, but this doesn't have to be a researched paper. It just has to have a thesis that answers one of the 3 prompts, and then you kind of go about proving your thesis by using short quotations from the text to support your points, and then analyzing and explaining those quotations. So to do that, you do not need to do any research. That's it. If you have any questions, let me know. The Writing Center is also available to you both on campus and with online appointments. So I'll add, actually, now that I'm thinking of it, I'll add a link for online tutoring as well in case any of you want to utilize that, because it's a free resource that we have on campus. So that's it. If you have any questions, just let me know. Otherwise, I can't wait to read your work. Thank you.